Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to center the taskbar icons in Windows 10. So you're going to right click on the taskbar, then click on toolbars, then click on links. Once you click on links, they are going to show these lines, but you also want to lock the taskbar. So you right click, then click on lock, make sure it is unchecked. Then you're going to drag this to the left up to the end, then you're going to drag the second one up to where you feel is the center. Once you have clicked on that, you right click on the links, then click on show title. Once you click on show title, it's gonna remove the title, then you're gonna lock the taskbar. So once you have locked the taskbar, now the lines will disappear, and that's how you center the taskbar icons in Windows 10.